You have any doubt? Word order, concept related, yaha waha. Yes, sir.
Interrogative questions.
Interrogative questions I will be asking you in class. I will be asking you. Like only the topics will be based on what we have done in class. The same topics. Like I will be asking in this way, sir. What is the difference with MAIN and MEIN? What is the difference? Why I should use MAIN only for this? Why I should not use MEIN for this? Understood? So this way I will be asking you interrogative way. Like I will be confusing you and you need to answer me clearly. This is the concept and we will be using this one. Okay, then remaining all, are you clear? Say informal conversation. Formal I will be giving you the topic and time related. Yes, so we'll start the, yes sir, this one. No need to write anything, just you need to say. No need to write anything, just you need to say, sir. Yeah, this one, the first one.
Okay, first one.
Okay. So basically you need to explain the topic word order. What is it, how is it useful, or how we understand through word order.
Okay.
And you can give me an example too. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So word order, we use whatever the subject
Okay.
following by object and then verb.
Okay, so I will ask you a question, sir. If let's say I am a beginner, I don't know Hindi, so I am asking you, how should I use this? I want to communicate as, I want to say as, I'll take your name, Jagan writes letter. How would I say this one in Hindi? I know English, I don't know Hindi, so how would I say the same?
So Jagan, letter
Okay, Jagan letter लिखते हैं. Yeah, can say. I can say लिखता instead of लिखते because Jagan is a masculine gender. I can say लिखता can say. Okay, even we can say लिखते. That's not incorrect. We can say लिखते depending on how I am referring the person. If I am referring the person second person like आप, I will say लिखते only. So the person is singular. Okay, sir. So both are correct. Can you give me few more examples? Word order. हाँ, जगन कहाँ जाता है? हाँ, कहाँ? Any example you can take. जगन कहाँ जाता है? You can take the same thing. जगन कहाँ जाता है? Which means what I want to understand here is Jagan is a subject will come first. All the verbs, all the actions will be coming over the last. Like कहाँ जाता है? जाता is an action. All that will be coming over the last, and all the objects, whatever it is, it will be in the between. Okay, sir. Okay. Now, can you go for the second one, sir? Like I am a beginner, how will you explain me the topic yaha vaha or the concept yaha vaha? We say ya or yaha means the same. We say va or we say vaha means the same. So can you explain me? As a beginner, I want to know about it. So can you explain me, sir? This one, explain. Yes, sir. Explain, sir.
Like this.
Okay, this.
This is like that is.
Okay, sir. So I can say as okay. So I can say, sir, as this is means ya hai or yah hai. It's correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So if as a beginner, if I know this is an apple, example, this is an apple. So this is means I can say yah hai. Yah apple hai. I can say this sentence. Yah apple hai.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or I can say yah apple hai. Then what is this one, sir? Va or vaha? What is that? This one? Va or vaha?
Like,
That is. Okay. So I can say that is an apple. Va apple hai or va सेब है और वह apple है. It's correct? Okay, sir. So just based on that, translate the below sentences. This all we have done in class. So the same sentences I have taken random. Yes, sir.
ये कुर्सी है.
यह कुर्सी है.
This is a chair.
Okay. Second one, sir. Second one.
क्या वो है? मेज है. What is this?
Just a second, sir. So just a second. क्या वह मेज है? क्या वह? When the क्या word is there in the first, like क्या वह, what will be the start in English?
What is this? Is a table.
Is that a table? Is yes, sir. Is that a table? Is that?
Is it
Is that? Because kya means we are asking us like we are asking to someone a question, and vah is that. So is that a table? That means singular. So is that a table? Excellent. Next one, sir. Next one. Third one, sir.
क्या यह गाड़ी
क्या यह घड़ी है?
गाड़ी है
घड़ी है, घड़ी है, घड़ी है. गाड़ी which means GAADI, GAA गा, गाड़ी. This one is घड़ी. So क्या यह घड़ी है? What is the meaning, sir? What is the translation?
Is this a clock?
Is this a clock? Is this a clock? क्या यह घड़ी है? Is this a clock? Next one, sir. Last one.
ये क्या है? What is this?
ये क्या है? What is okay? So this one you need to frame a sentence using these vocabularies. These vocabularies. So one by one you need to frame using the word kitab. You should know the meaning in English and then you can frame accordingly. Kitab.
ये किताब है.
Okay. Coming with this one, sir. Corn.
This-
Corn.
ये कौन है?
Okay, excellent. This one. Excellent. This one.
यह किताब और मेज है.
Excellent. यह किताब और मेज है. Excellent, sir. This one, sir, you need to include both the words. दीवार plus घड़ी. दीवार plus घड़ी. Both to be included in a
ये
sentence.
दीवार से घड़ी है.
यह दीवार से घड़ी है, which means what I understood was हाँ से
दीवार not we can't say what is like on
पर yes यह दीवार पर घड़ी है. Can we say दीवार पर घड़ी है? दीवार पर घड़ी है.
on becomes like
दीवार पर. No, दीवार पर means the clock is on the wall. English reverse will come. So the clock is on the wall. On the wall. दीवार पर on the wall. क्या है? घड़ी है. The clock is. The clock is. Okay, sir. So the statement is stated first was दीवार with घड़ी. So दीवार से घड़ी है, which means same is from. Same meaning is from. So from the wall, the clock is like mean it's linked, or you can say it's attached. So meaning will completely change, and that doesn't make a sense to a meaningful sentence too. So we'll say दीवार पर घड़ी है. दीवार पर which means on the wall. दीवार पर on the wall. घड़ी है. This one. Next one, sir. भी. भी.
this is mine.
Okay. What is the vocabulary for be, sir? What is the vocabulary for be? May I know what is the vocabulary for be?
PS of me I
Also is the vocabulary. Also. Give me a sentence, sir, in Hindi. Give me a sentence. Be.
when we ask like मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ती हूँ.
हाँ.
also the same.
हाँ. I am also. हाँ. मैं भी अंग्रेजी पढ़ती हूँ. Excellent. This one, sir. मैं. This one. मैं.
Me I am.
No. This one, sir. मैं.
Okay, me.
हाँ.
This one
मैं.
is
MEIN. This one. MEIN. मैं.
okay.
Same pronunciation like मैं same pronunciation MEIN, but meanings are different. So can help me out with this one. What's the meaning? In. Okay, give me a sentence in Hindi, sir. Give me a sentence using the word मैं.
We can say मैं क्लास में हूँ.
Yes, excellent.
मैं क्लास में हूँ.
मैं क्लास में हूँ. I'm in the class. This one, sir. यहाँ you can say as यहाँ or यहाँ means the same. YAHAA or YAHAAN. We won't be using N over here. We'll say यहाँ. That's it. So what is the translation, sir? Give me a translation first. The meaning, sir, in English. The translation.
यहाँ this is also this.
No, sir. No. Yaha. So I can help you out with the word in Tamil, but remaining you need to help me out, sir. This is inke. Inge.
Okay. Okay.
Ah.
Yeah.
Now can you help me out, sir? What is the word for yaha in English? Yaha.
Yeah. And then this.
No, no, no. Sir, idu, adu. Inge, ange. So what do we say for inge?
Okay. Here.
Okay, okay, that's what I was on. Just a second, sir. So, because in interrogative that will be coming, sir. You can see over here in interrogative this is the one, yaha and yaha. So there is a difference, and you should know the pronunciation, the fluency, the slang as well as the pronunciation. So hence, once again I'll say, see this one yaha, which means we can say ya, like Y-A-H, ya, or ya, her. I can split and say together. Ya, her means only singular object, singular person, he, she, this, anything, it, anything. But when I say yaha, this one, when I say yaha, which means I am referring to a location. Here location, this location, but this is not a location. This I am stating I am here. So here is the word H-E-R-E. That here is the word for this one. Yaha, vaha refers to only for location. Here, there. Clear now, sir? So when I say Y-A-H-A-A or Y-A-H-A-A-N means the same here, H-E-R-E, that here. But we won't be using N, so we will say yaha when we pronounce, when we speak, yaha. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. So can you help me out now with the meaning? Meaning, sir? Yaha?
Yaha. Goda hai.
Yaha goda hai. So the horse is here. Yes, sir. Okay, this one, zameen. Zameen, sir?
Zameen. Floor. Zameen पर मेज है.
Zameen par mez hai. Excellent. Sir, this one. You pronounce, sir? What is the word? Pronounce it, sir? Pronounce? Yeah, you can say, or yaha. Yeah, I have stated is because maximum people will get confused with yaha and yaha. Almost they will refer as both are same. So hence for them it's ya, you can say ya, which means Y-A-H, ya, you can say, or ya, her, you can split, Y-A-H-A, ya, her, you can say in this way. Now, yes, sir.
Yaha. Meज है.
Okay, yaha means hai. This one, sir, मैदान.
मैदान is
Okay, so this one we will pronounce not Maidan, we say Maidan. Maidan. We won't say Mai, we say Maidan. Like the same thing, this one is there, no? All purpose flow, that is Maida is there, no, sir? Maida. We won't say Maida, we say Maida. So same way you can link with this one. Maidan, same this one, same thing. Yes, sir. Means like proper Hindi people, or you can say proper North people, they will use the word Maidan, not Maidan. Okay, sir. Clear, sir? Okay, this one, okay, Maidan, what is the word in English, sir? The translation in English? Ground. And can I have the sentence in Hindi, sir? Maidan?
मैदान से लड़का खेल खेलते.
मैदान से और मैदान में. मैदान से means from the ground. So the boy is playing a ball in the ground. This is what is okay. So मैदान में, I mean लड़का मैदान में गेंद खेल रहा है. Okay, this one, sir, हाथ.
hand.
Okay, sentence, sir, sentence in Hindi. हाथ
से लिखती हूँ.
हाथ से लिखते हैं. हाथ से लिखता है, हाथ से लिखती है. We can say anything depending on the person. Now you haven't stated the subject, that is the person. So we can say हाथ से लिखते हैं. Usually people will write from hand. So hand, you can say this way. This one, sir, कुत्ता.
Kutta's dog.
Okay. This one, sir, sentence in Hindi. Translation done. Sentence in Hindi. You can say लड़का कुत्ते के साथ खेल रहा है. The boy is playing with the dog. लड़का कुत्ते के साथ खेल रहा है. कुत्ते के साथ मीन्स with. कुत्ता, that means you can say लड़का कुत्ते के साथ, because k is there, k is there, hence we need to use the word कुत्ता instead of we say कुत्ता कुत्ते के साथ खेल रहा है. और you can say कुत्ता भाग रहा है. The dog is running. कुत्ता भाग रहा है, we can say. Clear sir, this one? Clear sir? Okay, then comes this one sir. What is the difference between मैं and मैं? You can take any one, like MAIN you can take first, or MEIN, it's up to you. One by one let me know sir, as a beginner. See, so remember I am a beginner, so you need to help me out with these ones. I don't know Hindi words, I know English words, so you help me out with this one. Easy way, like understandable way you can help me out sir for this one, मैं and मैं. How will you help me out?
Me is like I am.
Okay. Which may? I am.
M-A-I-N.
मैं. I am. Okay. Okay, sir.
I am.
Okay.
And M-E-I-N is in.
In. Okay. So can you give me a sentence for both, sir? I am and in. First for I am. Can you give me a sentence?
First of all, I am writing.
Okay. I am writing.
मैं लिखता हूँ.
मैं लिखता हूँ. लिखता means what, sir? Remember, I am a beginner and you need to help me out with each and everything. लिखता means what?
I am writing. It is लिखता.
Writing is लिखता. Okay, I am writing. I am writing will be मैं, लिखता, then who. Am is who. Okay. Completion. Who. Okay. I am writing. मैं लिखता हूँ. It's correct, sir? I am writing. मैं लिखता हूँ. You need to explain someone as a who is a beginner. So you're not explaining me. You are explaining a beginner. So think in this way. That patience you should have, and at the same time you should help them in an easier way to understand the concept. Okay, sir? This one. Next one, sir. What is the difference with MEIN? May. Then may is what?
May is in.
In. Like, give me an example.
So, we have seen it. Diva or Dadi, right?
Huh.
So, sorry. Diva.
दीवार and घड़ी. दीवार घड़ी. हाँ. दीवार and घड़ी may won't be included. दीवार पर घड़ी है. I want a sentence like I am in the park. How would I say? I know English. I will say I am in the park is a sentence I want. How would I say the same thing?
मैदान में I am also I can say I am in the में मैदान में हूँ.
हाँ, okay. मैं मैदान में हूँ. I am in the ground. मैं पार्क में हूँ. I am in the park. हाँ. और I am in the park. मैं पार्क में हूँ. Clear? Okay. So what is the difference with this one? है. Where do we use what?
Okay, hey and if when it comes to singular, you use it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, again we use for multiple.
Okay. So my question is, I just want to speak Hindi. So will it make any difference if I will use hai or any hai? Will it make a difference for me? I just want to speak. I don't want to write or read anything. So will it make a difference for me if I am coming for speaking? If I am emphasizing only the speaking part with hai, will it make any difference if I am changing the one? No. Okay. So exactly where it will help me out? Like hai means where it will change? In writing? In writing it will?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes, in
Okay.
writing.
In writing it will change. Okay. So what is the English translation for this one? Hai. Hai.
For singular, like is.
Is. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Is you can say. And what is the translation for this one? HAIN? Hai.
R.
R. Okay. Okay. Then help me out with this one. Yah or yaha. What is the difference? Both are the same.
So, yeah, is this for being like this who is like closer.
Okay. Okay. So that's for yah or ya. And what about this one? Yaha. Yaha, which means?
Yaha is here.
Here. Okay. Here, if it's yaha, then what is for there, sir? There, what do we say in Hindi?
Vaha.
Vaha. Okay. So yaha, vaha. Am I correct? yaha, vaha.
Yes.
Okay.
Yaha.
And then this one you stated me for this. So what is for that? That means this is for this, no? This one you stated for this one.
Yeah.
So what is for that?
It's for like,
Oh, okay. Ver, correct? Ver or vaha. Okay. Ver or vaha for that. Correct? So can you give me a sentence in yaha using yaha?
okay. So, यह किताब है.
Okay. Yaha kitab hai. So I'll say the sentence vaha kitab hai. It's correct. The sentence just I have
Yeah,
okay.
that is also correct.
This you are explaining to a beginner. You will say one and the beginner will try to say the second one. Okay. Can you help me out with this one? This one?
So, यहाँ लड़का है.
यहाँ लड़का है, वहाँ लड़का है. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, this one.
So,
Okay.
here is a boy. There is a boy.
There is a boy. Excellent. So the concepts are clear. This one. Okay. Explain to a beginner in your own sentences, in your own words, own sentences you can make and use the concept this one and its usage. You can say me the meaning. Like concept means you can help me out with the meaning and give me a sentence. Give me a sentence. One by one. You can say each sentence you give one. Like one for kar, one for ni ke baad and one for or.
Okay.
Okay, so this one.
So,
Same sentence you can give in all three ways. That's all. So it's fine. So it's up to you.
so कर और पर
Hmm.
ने के बाद is with after.
Okay.
The
After. So which means I can use anyone, vice versa. I can use anyone after. I can use either kar or I can use ne ke baad. Okay, so I have a question. I need to use ne ke baad completely. Can I use only ne? I should use ke baad also for that.
No, like it is ne. It will be followed by ne के बाद.
Okay, so ke baad is mandatory. Like a ke baad is needed with ne. Okay. So can you give me a sentence with kar? I will help you out in ne ke baad. Can you give me the word? Like can you give me a sentence in kar?
मैं गाते कर खेलते हो.
मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ. This is what is stated. मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ.
Yeah, it's
हाँ.
मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ.
हाँ, मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ. So I can say मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ. Where should I use this one? ने के बाद. Where should I use this one? मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ will be मैं.
So I can say the same thing. Me गाने के.
Okay. So I'll say now मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ. मैं गाने के बाद खेलता हूँ. Excluding कर and including ने के बाद. So this is what you will be explaining to a beginner. Okay, and kindly help the beginner the sentence translation. The translation for the sentence. मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ. What is the meaning? मैं गाकर खेलता हूँ.
I play after eating.
I play after eating. Okay, so same meaning is for this one. Same thing, same meaning for ne ke baad. Okay, excellent. So can I get a sentence for or? AUR. What is the meaning of or? Meaning
Or is
and. Okay. Yes sir. Sentence sir.
मेरे लिए
Hmm.
और देखते हो.
Okay. और देखते. Can I have the sentence translation? देखता हूँ. Okay. Translation sir.
Writing and watching.
Watching, listening, watching and seeing you can say देखता, watching or seeing, looking. So, excellent. Now informal conversations, thinking skills, informal conversation. So your topic you have prepared now, sir. You have prepared the topic, informal conversation. So if you have written anything, you can read out the same, or you will say in your own words. You can start, sir. Yes, sir. Little louder, sir. Little louder. Yes, sir.
Before in conversation, see, basically, we saw two persons introducing them.
Okay.
Okay. That's me. Me, second.
Okay.
First,
Yes, sir. You can take, sir.
second,
Take your own time. Take your time, sir. No worry.
Raja.
Hmm.
Me, second.
मैं जगन हूँ. Okay. Yes, sir. Then, sir.
आप कैसा है?
हाँ. आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं?
कैसे हैं?
हाँ. Okay.
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं?
आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ.
मैं
मैं भी
ठीक
ठीक हूँ. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Then. That's it, sir. हाँ. हाँ. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is only the greeting. Okay. Yes, sir.
आप किधर? क्या काम?
आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? Where you work? आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? कहाँ काम करते हैं? Okay.
चेन्नई से काम करते हैं.
मैं चेन्नई में काम करता हूँ. चेन्नई में काम करता हूँ. मैं चेन्नई में काम करता हूँ. काम करता हूँ. I work in चेन्नई. मैं चेन्नई में काम करता हूँ. Okay. Then, sir.
So what's
और आप. हाँ. Like और आप. Okay. Then, sir. और आप. Where? मैं कोयम्बतूर में काम करता हूँ. मैं कोयम्बतूर में काम करता हूँ. Like in चेन्नई, same in कोयम्बतूर. मैं कोयम्बतूर में काम करता हूँ. Okay. Then, sir, next one. You can conclude also, sir. Main body part is done. You have asked a question and the answer also is done. So you can conclude. If you wish, you can extend or you can conclude. It's up to you.
Okay. I can say like that. Nice meeting you.
So nice meeting you in Hindi. In Hindi, I mean.
Yeah. मिलकर से खुशी हो.
मिलकर से. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Can we say? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. मिलकर से खुशी हो doesn't make a sense. आपसे मिलकर. After meeting you, I felt good. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Glad to meet you. Okay, this one. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Then, sir. मुझे भी. The other person will also say, no? Yes. I do. So मुझे भी. And then in.
धन्यवाद.
फिर मिलते हैं. धन्यवाद. फिर मिलते हैं. हाँ. धन्यवाद no need to say because that's informal like conversation. Like you are asking, like you are having a conversation with your friend. We won't say for that thank you. Now we'll go and tomorrow we'll meet. For each conversation we won't say thank you every time. That is informal conversation. Known people only. So no need of thank you. You can directly say फिर मिलते हैं. So let's meet soon. फिर मिलते हैं and conclude. फिर मिलते हैं. Excellent, sir. Now formal conversation. I have given you the hint also how you need to start this one. This is the hint. If you wish, you can use that. And this is the topic, sir. This is the context. Like we have done almost the same type we have done in class. So almost the same. In your own words, you can use, sir. In your own words, you can say that sentence means just 2 plus 2 4 should come. It's not. You see, it's your own words. You can say. You can start. You can say the main part and you can conclude. It's up to you how you start, how you present. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. Namaste.
So I am the host family now. So I am the host family. Mezaban Parivar. I am the host family. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mezaban Parivar. नमस्ते. मेरा नाम जगन है.
मेरा नाम सारा है. Context.
मेरा नाम सारा है. Okay. I have to speak like student है.
In your own words, you can say मैं एक अमेरिकन की स्टूडेंट हूँ, एनीथिंग, एनी वर्ड्स. इफ यू नो द वर्ड फॉर स्टूडेंट यू कैन से, अदरवाइज यू कैन से स्टूडेंट इटसेल्फ. दैट आल्सो विल मेक अ सेंस.
मैं अमेरिकन स्टूडेंट हूँ. मैं 3 साल
3 महीने 3 महीने 3 महीने
3 महीने.
हाँ
ओके.
हाँ 3 महीने.
महीने
हम्म,
हिंदी पढ़ती
हम्म.
फॉर स्टडीइंग.
रहने आ रही हूँ, स्टेइंग रहने.
ओके.
3 महीने 3 महीने 3 महीने.
रहने आ रही हूँ.
हाँ ओके, आ रही हूँ which means she will be coming for 3 months over there and she will be staying with them, with the host family.
आ रही हूँ.
हाँ ओके. So about your personal background you can use, I mean not yours, I mean this girl's, Sarah's. You can say about her anything, like anything you can include about her. Like I'm residing here but I'm coming, some XYZ name you can include. हाँ. मुझे हिंदी पढ़ने की आशा है, समथिंग यू कैन से. हाँ हाँ.
sarah@gmail.com. मेरा फोन नंबर 713.
Just include as one sentence like I am eager to meet you all, I'm excited to meet you all, concluding ones. Like gratitude, this one gratitude sir, I'm eager to meet you all, I'm very excited to meet you all, you can use that. You can include few words in English too, it's fine. Yes sir.
ओके. मैं आपके देखती
हाँ, आपको देखने के लिए उत्साहित हूँ, उत्सुक हूँ, एनीथिंग. उत्सुक हूँ, उत्साहित हूँ, both are the same. उत्सुक हूँ, उत्सुक हूँ. उत्साहित हूँ. ओके. यस सर. एंड दिस वन सर, anticipation and gratitude done. Closing sir, closing no.
Closing.
Like we say in the letter, yours faithfully, yours obediently, the name you can say in this way. हाँ, आपकी अतिथि means guest, she is a guest, so आपकी अतिथि सारा, आपकी अतिथि सारा. चलो. This one sir, last one, this one, time related conversation. You can go for a small conversation, time word to be included. You can go like anything. Both friends are having a conversation to meet at some time on somewhere, like some place on Sunday, Monday or some date. So you can include in this way, time to be included. One friend is saying some timing, other friend may not be okay with the same timing. So other friend, no, I think that time is fine, this time is fine. Then both are coming to a mutual one. So in this way, try to include time. So mainly I need the time. Rather than the conversation, I need the time. Having the conversation with both. Like two of them are having a conversation. Yes, sir. This is the last one for assessment. Yes, sir. This is the last.
Okay. मैं एक बाजू से मैदान में आ रहा हूँ.
Very good. Excellent. मैं मैदान में आ रहा हूँ. क्या तुम आओगे? You can ask. क्या तुम आओगे? First you can ask the person, will you come? क्या तुम आओगे?
क्या तुम आगे क्या कुछ बोलेगा?
हाँ, क्या तुम आओगे? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Anything. हाँ, आओगे means will you come? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? You can say both ways. You can say. हाँ, क्या तुम आ रहे हो? और आओगे means will you come? Sorry.
क्या तुम आओगे?
क्या तुम आओगे और क्या तुम आ रहे हो?
ओके.
से
जो नहीं 1 बजे से
एनीथिंग कैन बी.
मुझे भी काम.
हाँ ओके. हम
मैं
इंक्लूड सम अदर टाइम.
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
सवा एक बजे से नो नीड टू इंक्लूड द वर्ड से सर. मैं सवा एक बजे आता हूँ. सवा एक बजे आता हूँ.
Okay, सवा एक बजे
आता हूँ. So एक and सवा एक has not such difference sir. Just 15 minutes gap is there. So you can say some other time sir, because 15 minutes that won't make much difference. You can say some other time, like some other time you include, except that.
Okay, मैं सवा 2 बजे से 2 बजे से
आता
आ
हूँ.
रहा हूँ.
Not say मैं सवा 2 बजे.
Okay, मैं सवा 2 बजे आ रहा हूँ.
Okay, then the person who asked 1 o'clock to come, the person will say now, is he okay with it?
Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है. हाँ, कंक्लूड.
मैं
ठीक है, मैं भी सवा 2 बजे
सवा 2 बजे आ रहा हूँ.
आता हूँ, आ रहा हूँ. ठीक है.
आता हूँ.
देन कंक्लूड सर, कंक्लूशन सर, मिलते हैं.
Okay, फिर मिलते हैं.
फिर मिलते हैं. कैन बी एनीथिंग. फिर मिलते हैं मीन्स we will meet soon, or we will meet some other time later, or some decided time. So now both I have decided we will be meeting at 2:15. So both are then saying to each other. So we'll meet. Then. Okay. फिर मिलते हैं. That's it. Excellent sir. So before we are done with the basic level. This is the basic level assessment sir. Basic level. So I want to know how was the conversation, like how was the informal conversation, formal conversation, time related conversation sir, for you, like
Yeah, actually.
I understood, but that I won't. And this one is a recorded one, so I don't want to say anything now. First you say sir. First you say.
Yeah, I feel like I need more preparation than informal
Okay.
conversation.
Yes. And I can say yes sir. Then okay. What about okay, apart from conversation, what about the previous ones, like word order, the basic ones? Those are what we did in class that help you. Have you revised the notes? All the notes? Because today was our day 9. So have you revised?
I have myself.
Okay.
Word order.
Yeah, revised sir. What about the conversation we did in class, informal conversation, formal conversation, that you revised?
Yeah, informal conversation I get revised.
Okay. And what about formal sir, just to get an idea, have you revised?
Formal conversation I get revised.
Okay sir, fine. Time related conversation, like time, anything you prepared for yourself, like if I'm saying it this way, then if I'm saying it that way, like anything you prepared for that, for the assessment? No. Okay sir. Okay, informal you prepared, informal conversation you prepared?
Informal conversation I didn't go through.
You have revised that, I can say from here what you communicate. Okay, but what about the preparation, like once you have go through everything, then you need to try by yourself, you need to write by yourself, or you can say you need to type by yourself. Okay, this is the conversation, we will say in this way. So in this way, have you prepared sir? No?
I didn't prepare for this, but like for exercise purpose I did once.
Okay sir. What about this one sir? This one, usages, interrogative questions sir, usages. This one, you were clear with the concept?
Yes.
All the concepts were clear? Okay sir. So if I will ask you to say in one line, how was the assessment for you? Like, was it tough? Was it easy? What means what you expected? From there you can rate it as per your, like as per your knowledge I'm saying sir. So you can rate accordingly.
Assessment, it is because as I said, I should have better results.
Okay, that's fine, because you are a working professional, so I can understand sir. So that is fine. But now you understood, like now you came to know, right sir? So how will be the assessment? Because this is your first assessment. Yes, no sir, the basic level is the first assessment. So now you came to know how will be the assessment will be. Yes sir? Sir, that's it. So just one line I wanted to know. Yes sir.